Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Welcome to our channel, guys. So here, if you want to learn graphic design, here is for you. This channel is for you guys. All right. So let's get it in. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share our content. Okay, because this channel is a learning channel. This channel will teach you to be a graphic designer and to make some money on the side, of course. All right, so let's go. Graphic designing is a very good field to be in because when you're in the marketing, when you want to do a business, you need a graphic designer to give you that beautiful content. Okay, guys, so this is the interface of Photoshop, all right? Adobe Photoshop, guys. All right. So, first and foremost, before we get into all the nitty-gritty of this channel, we will upload videos every single day to touch base on every single thing in Adobe Photoshop. All right, guys. So, you better stay tuned. Click that notification button and subscribe and click that bell for every every day we're gonna put out content, guys. Okay, don't forget to support me, guys. Support us, support us, support us, support us. All right, guys. So first and foremost, we have a blank interface, a blank interface. So first and foremost, in Adobe Photoshop, you're gonna go to the left and top corner. All right, and click on File. After File, you're gonna click on New, guys. All right. So here you write your name for the actual document that you wanna create, alright, that you wanna name. Alright, so here is the document type. So whether it's US paper, international paper, so you know it's legal letter size, right? Photo, if you're doing a document for a photo, alright, web, alright, mobile app design, film and video, iconography, artboard, and custom. So custom, now you plug in your own dimension right here, and resolution, color mode, etc. All right, so you know if you wanna print, if you wanna go for web, you know you use RGB content. If you wanna print, you know you use CMYK, etc. All right, and you can tune in to the resolution. You don't really have to go to 300, but I normally recommend 300 resolution, okay, to see that quality. All right, so now I always have a white background. All right, guys, so now I'm gonna just choose a basic document type, just US paper, just for broadcasting itself. All right, and your image size right here, 24 megs. All right, and you just click OK. All right, so this computer is moving a bit slow, but nonetheless. All right, so you should see a white document pop up on your screen. Here we go. Here we go, guys. All right, so this is your workstation. All right, normally what I would do, I would if I'm gonna design something to be printed, normally what I would do, same time after I load up the document, I'll go to window, no, not window, sorry. All right, so I'll go to view, and your rulers will come down. All right, so you go to view, and click on your rulers to come down. And what I would normally do to get like a border, so when I'm printing, I don't print within the document. Okay, guys, you don't print within the documents, so you border up your thing, and you don't print within, because all right, most print place will cut in your document. They don't want that, so you're gonna leave space. So you're gonna put your your images and everything right here in this plot, and right here is the border. So you're gonna cut off your border, all right, for printing purposes. However, if you're doing it for like on your phone, WhatsApp, sharing WhatsApp, you don't need to border it around. All right, guys. But if you're going to print, you just use your borders. All right, guys.